Hello, viewers. Welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Libra from 29th of June to 5th of July 2020. This reading includes your recent past, your present, and immediate future. So, let's see what cards have for you. All right, so this is your energy this week, the Queen of Cups. This shows that you are a very loyal person. You always put other people above you. No matter what they do, you always empathize with them. Your recent past cards are King of Cups reversed, Wheel of Fortune reversed, and Seven of Cups reversed. So here I get a feeling that you there is a continuous cycle, which is going on in your life. Something happens repeatedly in your life, and that is making you emotionally disturbed. That has made you emotionally disturbed, and you believed that you had this sight, that you had lot of things in your hand, you had lot of options, but unfortunately in reality, when the time came, you saw that there is nothing in your hand. So maybe that thing is repeatedly happening, and that you have a feeling that there is a kind of a bad luck with you, and because of that you are feeling you have felt a lot of emotional disturbances in your life. Okay, so before moving to the present cards, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the weekly updates. All right, so your present cards are King of Swords reversed, Five of Swords, and Knight of Pentacles. So, I have a fear here, Librans. I hope that you have not done something unfair in your past, because that is going to affect you in the present. It could be either you or maybe somebody else in your life who has cheated on you, and because of that right now maybe you have this feeling of taking the revenge, maybe, or you are so angry emotionally that you are getting lot of ideas of how you can destroy the person, how you can make the other person feel how it feels to to get cheated, or to get disrespected, or you know how it feels when you trust someone and that other person breaks your trust. So maybe you're getting a lot of ideas on how to basically hurt the other person, and because of all these things these feelings are natural, it happens, but because of all these feelings, unfortunately you are not able to concentrate on your present much. You're not able to concentrate on your present relationships, your work, your personal and professional life. So because of that, everything has become very very it's not moving right now, it is at halt. So you're not gaining anything in the present. So if we talk about your future cards, we have Three of Pentacles, Five of Cups, and the Moon. So this shows that in the future you will get good recognition, you will get something, get some kind of a reward for your creativity, for your work. But unfortunately, whatever has happened in past, what that will not go from your mind, and because of that you will only concentrate about the stuff, all the bad stuff which has happened, and you might not concentrate on the good stuff which is actually still there in your life. So cards suggest you to let things go, to cut these kind of people from your life and let them be, because that is only going to hamper your progress and nothing else. So if you have any kind of queries, Librans, please write in the comment box, and for the personalized reading, please see the description box. So good luck, Librans.